Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be looking into an plugin called Elementor, where you can use this plugin to design your own page. So you have a drag and drop options available. So you can just use those elements and you can design your own page without any code. So if you see here, you have a basics, pro version and the general options, site, single and Elementor, WordPress, mega pack and WordPress. So these are the options. I have also activated a pro version of Elementor to show you guys what are the options available in pro version also. So when we just look into a basics one, we have an inner section, heading, image, text editor, video, buttons, divider, spacer. You can even have your maps and icons. So these are the general options. So if you see here, first you can go with your any of this structure. You can have a one section or two sections or three columns or four columns. So I'll just select one section. You can have your full width here, no gap. Okay, then this is your structure, that is 100%. Sorry, I can say that I want to have my section also stretched 100%. And again when I click this, I get these options. So in pro version I also have posts, portfolio, gallery, form, login, slides, navigation menu, heading, price list, price table, flipbox, call to action, carousel, testimonials, reviews, and share buttons for your social media icons, countdown, quotes, Facebook button, Facebook comments, a code highlighter, or you can even have a PayPal button where if someone clicks directly, redirects to your PayPal account. You also have an image box, icon box. You can also have a star rating for your product or for your page, blog page. Then you have a basic gallery. Again you have another counter. You also have a progress bar, testimonials. So the previous testimonial was a carousel. This testimonial is normal one, is a regular one, and you also have a tabs, accordions. You also have a toggle option, and then SoundCloud. You can write your HTML code also if you need it, or you can embed any short code if at all you have any. So you can even have a site logo, site title, page title. This is everything covered about the post. So if you want to show any post here, you can show your posts. You can design your own posts page also. And these are the widgets. So widgets is nothing but social share, carousel, logo showcase, box message, countdown, simple counter, portfolio, grid view of your of your posts, blog layouts, call to action button, everything. So we will be looking into each and every elements in detail in the coming videos. And this is your default WordPress. That is, you can add your video or a meta tag or a search a button or a text, or you can even showcase your categories or your recent posts. So this is how an Elementor looks, and these are the elements available for an element. Designing your page, I'll share the link in the comment section or a description, so that you, if at all you are interested, then you can go for a pro version also. And let me tell you, this is not a paid or a promoted one. This is a normal general video, so that you can get an overview of how an Elementor plugin works and how can you use it in your WordPress website. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll meet you in the next video. Please do subscribe. Until then, bye. Have a nice day.